bear. No. Get out of the way. Maxie boy. See how nice he is? Right now it's now 9:03 or 9:04 in the morning. But today we're going to go to my papa's. In today's vlog, it's NickFlemingVlogs here. I forgot to say that at first. But today we're going to my papa's, going to visit him, and I'm going to vlog it and stuff like that. So I'll see you guys when I'm going to down the road while we're driving, and I'll film it out the window, or I'll just film while we're down there. So one of those two. So see you guys then. We're at my papa's right now. Basically, we're gonna brush the dogs and see how we do. This is one of the. I think this is my 5th time brushing the dogs. I'm gonna brush. This is Bear here. We call him Bear because he looks like a bear. Focus it. And we're gonna brush. He's not as bad as Max. Hey Max. Come here. No, Bear. No. Get out of the way. Maxie boy. See how nice he is? Go away, Bear. Bear is a nuisance sometimes. So, brush his back first, and yeah. Put autofocus on. There, it's autofocused. Not this way. We're gonna. Oh, look at that. All the loose fur is coming out. Whoa. This is my so I did this so many times. Look at that fur. His winter coat is actually coming off. It's actually going to be a hot day today because it's going to be 30 degrees out today. I'm hoping to do a fishing vlog, but I don't know. Max, you're going to be okay. Hey, Max. And yeah, he got cold, I think. So we're going to get this done. Max, right, Max? Right, Max. We're going to get this done, and then I'll see you guys after I brush Izzy. Now we're going to do this to Bear next. So, this. We're just going to do the same thing to Bear like we did to Max. And yeah. Hey, Bear. So we're going to do the same thing. Hey, Bear. Hey, Bear. Sit down. Sit down. Now this is going to pull. You're a good bear. You like this? Big black bear. You're a big black bear. Bear, what is your day going? My day's going pretty good. What about yours? Yeah, my day's doing alright. Oh, look at that, all that fur. Hey, Bear, give me a sec. remain silent. Okay, now we're just gonna do it, and now the last dog will be Izzy. So let's finish the bear, and I end it off. I'll see you guys when I'm doing Izzy. Bear, where are you going this time? It looks like a fox dog, but she's not actually a fox, so it's actually a dog. Izzy, you getting to meet Izzy. Now we're gonna basically brush her. And then you can see my puppet one last time after my bird feeders. Then oh, she's not as bad as that of them. Izzy, how are you? She's the most nervous of the dogs. So I get done brushing her. Not as bad as the other ones, but sorry, I'm talking to myself. Do the bird feeders, fill up the bird feeders, then meet my papa one last time. We're just gonna fill up the bird feeder, and yeah, bird feeder it is, and we're gonna use the black sunflower seeds, and yeah, let's fill it up. You're gonna see a first look how I actually fill up these bird feeders that me and Mark made. So let's begin. First things first, open this up. You already seen how I open this up at my place, so these are quite a cool invention I got in it. One, two, three, 4. We're basically gonna fill this up. See you guys after. Basically, we're gonna put this stuff in the chocolate car. So let's do it. It's not very heavy either. And you're gonna get to see my papa before I even go. So it's hot in here. Put it on the seat. Yeah, it's hot in here. The thing about that vehicle there, it doesn't have no AC, so I gotta tell my mom there's no AC. It's hot in there already. So see you guys when I'm about to leave my papa's. See ya, Papa.
Okay, bye-bye.
Have a good day.
You too.
Maybe I hope to see you soon.
I know you will.
Okay, see ya.
Okay.
This is cooking with the Rick.
What does Scooby Doo?